Want to learn a simple hack where you can find trending designs for your print-on-demand business? Then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, more specifically, if you are looking to create an e-commerce business that is capable of generating sales online, then make sure that you indulge yourself into my YouTube channel to go through all my video tutorials. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple hack where you can use for free to find trending designs for your print-on-demand business. Whether it is for mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, wooden cutting board, you name it, this simple hack is super effective, and more importantly, it is a free tool that we use. But before we actually get into this, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So that being said, when it comes to creating a profitable print-on-demand business, it all boils down into the design. It's not the t-shirt, it's not the hoodie, it's not the mug. Those are generic products that we are selling. However, the minute that you put in a nice trending design right onto those merchandise, number one, you can actually sell it at a higher price. Number two, you turn it into your own product. And best of all, with print on demand, you don't need any capital upfront or any money into inventory. But as I said, in order for you to succeed with print on demand, it all boils down into the design. And in this video, I'm gonna hop over to my screen to show you one hack and simple way for you to find trending design and use it for your print-on-demand business. So let's head over there right now. All right, so we're back to my computer right now, and the first thing that you need to do is to open up Google Chrome. That's the browser that you want to use. Then right inside Google, all you have to do is search for Unicorn Smasher Chrome extension. Now, you want to go specifically to their Chrome store, not going to their actual website. So by doing so, you can actually get this extension for free. And having this extension will allow you to see what are the top selling products within Amazon.com. So once you actually downloaded this extension, go to Amazon.com. And the next thing that you need to do is to put in a keyword that you want to go after, the industry that you want to go after, or a similar industry. So let's say that you are in the dog niche. Now, instead of us going to find dog related stuff, we may be looking at unicorn, right? So that you can actually take the unicorn design ideas into dogs. Now, let's say that you are in the gaming industry and you want to actually go after gamers. What you can do is just go after gaming t-shirt or gaming hoodies or gaming mug. And when you're on this page, the next thing that you can do is not just to go through these designs, because you don't know what design sells and what design isn't selling. So now that you have downloaded the Chrome extension that we told you to download, click on the Chrome extension and it will automatically help you analyze in the last 30 days how many sales and revenue that is estimated for that product. So this thing is now loaded. I can actually sort it by the highest revenue, and I can actually see this shirt here. I paused my game to be here, right? And then another one, this is just a blank t-shirt. This is, again, I paused my game to be here. So that means that this exact slogan is selling phenomenally well. And as you can see, this one has done $139,000. This one also has done $133,000. They're using the exact words, but just a different flair in the design. So for you, you can actually take the exact same quote and then create a better design, a better version of this. Then guess what? You have a trending design that's proven to be selling. And this one is actually selling for $18.99, so it works phenomenally well. And you can actually go down here, see if there's any other design ideas that really comes up. Like here, there's a whole bunch for $28.99, 4-pack of t-shirt. Obviously, that's a little bit cheap. This is another one, 22K. Can't hear you, I'm gaming, right? Another one, you can actually take this and turn it into your own design as well. And again, as I said before, when it comes to print on demand, it all boils down into the design itself. And you should be spending majority of your time to actually look for design ideas and quotes, and then simply just create a better version out of it and start running ads towards your products. Now, it may sound a little bit hard and it sound a little bit overwhelming, but listen, if you want to actually get our help on a daily basis to help you build your print-on-demand business, I'll leave some links in the video description right down below that you can actually check it out. But that being said, again, this simple hack is 100% free, and you can actually get so much information and so much detail by using this strategy. And I hope this helps you out. And if it does, please leave me a comment right down below. With that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I look forward on seeing you in our next video. Bye now.